Hey guys, it's Gloryokings. I'm going to be taking you through my morning skincare routine and my makeup look for when I'm recording videos. I wash my face already in the shower. I use CeraVe. Everything is in Turkish, but it's for oily to combination skin because right now my skin looks dry. Give me 30 minutes. The oil on my T-zone area is like I'm going to fry puff puff. I'm going to use this Vaseline to moisturize my lips because it feels dry. And I'm not about to be talking to you guys with crusty lips, okay? I'm going to go in with my toner. I need to get a new toner, but this toner is like my backup toner. It's just this Face Lab brightening toner for dark spot areas. I am someone who struggles with a bit of dark spots, so sometimes I like to use this toner, but I hate using it at the same time because I don't think it works. So I'm looking for a new toner to use, so if you have any recommendation, please give it to me. I'm thinking of going for the Ordinary again, but I'm looking at my options. I'm trying to weigh my options. I don't have any options, I'm joking. I'm going to go in with my serum. Right now, I'm not going to go out, so I'm going to be using this AHA BHA PHA 30D Miracle Serum. That's what I've been using for the past, I don't know how long, but it seemed to kind of neutralize my face and not have it too oily. When I apply my serum, I like to push my face upwards because I'm having smile lines and I'm becoming very conscious about them, but this is what you get for being a happy girl. Yeah, I like to like massage it upwards just so, you know, minimizes the smile lines. I don't know if it makes any difference, but I just feel separating the skin from where it's trying to gather up should help. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use this AHA BHA PHA 30-day Miracle Cream. It's the same brand as the serum, so I'm just going to use that on my face. Whenever I'm applying makeup, I like to use this sunscreen. It's the SPF 50+ SPF sunscreen, invisible finish. I like to use this sunscreen because it doesn't leave a white patch and it just works well with my makeup. I used to apply most of my product with one hand, like I just go around my face, but I found that using both of my hands sort of helped massage my face and enables blood flows, and I just found that my face just feels relaxed when I'm done. You can try it out if you're someone who just uses one hand to apply your skincare on your face. This is what my skin looks like. For my body moisturizer, I use this. It's the Yves Rocher Argan and Rose. I love the consistency. It moisturizes, but not to the level I want it to moisturize. I'm still going to keep using it until I find something else. If I want to be more moisturized, I go in with my shea butter just because, you know, it's summer. My melanin has to pop. So I'm going to start off with my makeup. I'm going to be using new products. So yeah, for the new primer I got, it's the MAC Studio Fix Matte 12 Shine Control Primer Base Anti-Brilliance. I decided to get a mattifying primer because I realized my skin is not friendly with the summer. Like the oil on my skin is not even friendly at all. The mattifying primer just sort of helps reduce the oil. Usually when I go for shoots, I don't know why, or if the Turkish or Russian people do not use primers on their face. What they do is when I let them do my makeup, they like wipe my face with wipes to wipe off any makeup. I don't go on set with makeup, and I tell them, they're like, oh, they just want to clean the face, and then they see it's clean, they're like, oh, your face is clean. Is it supposed to be dirty? Then they just want to go in with my foundation, and I'm thinking to myself, hold up, we need to apply primer, because if we don't use primer, in 10 minutes my face is going to be dripping of oil. So for my brows, I always use this pencil. It's just a regular brow pencil. Before I start drawing my brows, I like to go in with this spoolie and just brush the hair on my brows. Okay guys, I cannot see, so I have to use my contacts. I didn't want to use my contacts for this, but I have to put on my contact. I brush my brow with this spoolie just to align the hairs and make everything, you know, neat, because I have bushy brows and sometimes my brows go down like literally they grow downwards. Then I go in with my eyebrow pencil, and first off I align it, but sometimes I just draw strokes. So I'm going to draw strokes today. I genuinely feel like this brow is the perfect brow, and this one, it just does whatever it wants to do. I couldn't care less, to be honest. I'm going to use this old Fenty Beauty that I have that is probably finished, but I'm going to use it to align my brows. Next thing I'm going to go in with is my foundation. So I'm going to be using the NARS foundation in the color Maca cow, so I'm going to use that. It's watery. Is this supposed to be watery? This consistency is better, because I don't know if it's supposed to be this liquidy or not. I don't know. So I like to make sure my foundation is blended in properly. Sometimes I would use my fingertips to apply foundation. I used to use it some months back, but I just stopped. I don't know why, because sometimes it's just messy on my hands and I don't want like foundation on my hands. I'm going to go in with my concealer, and my concealer is this NARS concealer in the color Truffle Medium Dark 2.75. I usually do not like to allow my concealer sit for long because it causes crease when it dries up and I blend it out, so I just blend it out immediately. I also go over my eyes. The next step for my makeup is my contour. I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty contour cream. I just dab it in a bit. Initially I used to contour my face up there, but I decided to go down a bit, and I also contour my nose. Set my face in the concealer area. I'm going to be using my Sephora setting powder. I don't bake my face, I set. The next step on my makeup is my eyeshadow. That's what I usually do next. For my eyeshadow, it's the same routine. I always use this palette. I think I need to get a new makeup palette because I have abused this one, and I literally only use like 3 colors here. So I use this one for my transition, this one for the eye center, and this one to just color the corners of my eyes. So I'm going to start with the transition color and just go over the top. Then I go in with another brush for the darker corners. I just do it at the end of my eyes and take that in a bit. That's all I do, and then I lift this up just to give the face a lift. I think that's done, and then I'm going to go in with the final part. I try to just use it around this area on my face. I don't know if that makes any sense. Then I'm going to go in with the transition brush and just transition everything. Like I'm removing the harsh lines with the transition brush. That's how it works for me. That's pretty much my eyeshadow routine. So now I'm going to draw my eyeliner because that is my next process for my makeup routine. So I need to focus to draw my eyeliner because it doesn't seem to be coming out well, and I hate a bad eyeliner. The next thing I'm going to do is my mascara, and I'm going to be using this MAC mascara. I'm one of the girlies that sometimes I feel like using false lashes, and sometimes I feel like using my own lashes. This is the new setting spray I got. I've used this before and it was good. It worked on my face. It set my makeup for a long time, so I decided to get it again. Another trick I learned when you apply your setting spray is to dry it up with your hands. Don't just let it dry by itself, dry it up with your hands. So I always like to do that. So now I'm going to go in with my lip liner. The lip liner I use has been the lip liner I've always used since I started applying makeup for over 5 years or so. This is the lip liner I'm going to be using. So this is how I like to line my lips. And then I go in with my lip gloss, and the lip gloss I'm going to be going in with is this Golden Rose Mega Shine 3D lip gloss. I recently got it and I love it. For my hair, I'm just not going to do so much. I'm going to just brush it out. If you want details about my hair, the video will be out soon, or it's already out. Allow it to flow by itself. Pick up. Take a scrunchie. Separate it to form like a bowl. I'm going to take a bobby pin and just pin the top. Another bobby pin. And pin as well. So that's it for my makeup routine. Before I finish, guys, I'm not done. Like, am I done with makeup without highlighter? Who am I joking? I'm going to go in with this Floma makeup and just highlight my tear duct area. I hope I didn't ruin it. And then I go in with the brown one and highlight my nose. And here I just highlight the places. I highlight the places the light hits when it shines on my face. My very simple makeup routine. When I want to be extra, I would use my eyelashes. If I want to look a bit simple, I would not use the eyelashes because eyelashes take the makeup from there to there. That's it, guys. That's it. I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned one or two, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.